for those of you who knows this, great. For those of you who does not know it, Perplexity is, well, founded by an Indian guy. CEO is an Indian, and he is a guy who came out of ChatGPT company, OpenAI company, as a developer or something, and then he started his own company, and now it's valued at like in billions of dollars. So it's like a very, very big thing. Perplexity is the master in generating powerful content. So I want to generate a powerful content, let's say either a deep research or a deep research with project, a very visually appealing project. This is when I use Perplexity. Now, to put it in a very simpler term, let's say I have 1 lakh rupees to invest, and I don't know what to invest or where to invest in. So I go to Perplexity, and what I do is, with the help of prompt engineering, what I have done is I have created a master prompt with which it covers all the major points that I want detailed research on. Basically, here is how that content goes, wherein I'm telling Perplexity, again, instead of saying, hi, I have 1 lakh, give me 2 to 3 stocks to invest in. This is a prompt that I would generally give. Perform a detailed analysis on current Indian stock market and identify top 4 to 5 stocks that are hidden gems in potential for multi-bagger growth over the next 1 to 3. So the same sentence I kind of elaborated it. And I also elaborated more things. I said, I want 1 lakh to invest, elaborate the investment split. So it's not enough you give me 2 to 3 stock recommendations, but I also want the split analyst recommendations, etc., etc., etc. Then this is my recommendation of prioritize any cap, but in futuristic segment. My risk appetite is high. My goal is to identify short-term high return investment and provide a ranked stock. And I'm gonna present it. So this would give a very comprehensive 360-degree view on what your objective is, as opposed to you giving one line on whatever stocks I want. So it has currently reviewed 20 different websites to find the multi-bagger research, and it's actually parallelly and simultaneously doing all these things: the financial data, analyst recommendations, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, all these things. It is parallelly doing the analysis on. Then it is doing. So I also mentioned futuristic segments. So it is doing this thing on renewable energy and aerospace and so on and so forth. It has looked at another 20 sources. Right? So I'm just going to wrap it up. So this is what the output came out. And these are the assets that is generated along the way. So any kind of research or any kind of report that you want to do, these are the assets that it has generated right now exclusively for me with my prompt, essentially speaking. So it has done a bit of coding, it has done a bit of data generation, it has done a bit of kind of Excel sheet generation, and it has given me a comprehensive output on whatever I have asked. So it has gone ahead and gave me 5 multi gems, and I've also told it to give me a split allocation of what I should do, and it has given me stock recommendations of this is what is this fundamental analysis it has given me, and technical analysis also. It has kind of factored in some capacity or the other, and it has also given me valuation risks versus growth metrics and multiple other things that it has done. Ultimately, if I read all these things, I can be rest assured, be certain that my money is going into right thing, because I've done a very comprehensive research.